Hello to all of you. Today's video is about a gear hobbing from Germany. You will see that it works perfectly. Enjoy! The machine model is L800 and has maximum module of 12. Table diameter is 700 mm, and also the maximum workpiece height is 700 mm. You can see by yourself that it's easy to use. This arm is very useful for loading and downloading heavy gears in the machine. The operator here is showing us how to use it by simply changing the diameter of his moving arms and set it to the gear diameter that you want. Super convenient, don't you think? So, what do you think about this gear hobbing? Let us know in the comments. If you have any question, we are here for you. Here's our contact details. We are at your complete disposal. Thank you for watching.